Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Happy holidays. It's a holiday season and I just love this beautiful decorative holiday tree. It's made of glass and just about $13. So I'm going to assemble it now as a part of the holiday decor at my house. Um, it has about 12 ornaments and a beautiful glass tree. I'll first unbox it and then we'll assemble it together. So beautiful. So four colors, very, very beautiful. I'm going to place this here and then we will arrange these ornaments on the tree. So let's see. Put it here. Oh. And the green. So look at it. So pretty. And I want to show you the one more tree which I have. Let's put on the light. This will really look nice in the dark. And also let's take a look at the fireplace. See how it is outside. Just a simple decorations over the fireplace.